We're finally gonna finish this door. Yay! Randy rolled his eyes at me when he was here last time because this has not gotten done. So we're not 100%. The last two videos that you guys saw on Tuesday and Wednesday were before we actually got COVID. Now we're filming for after we've gotten COVID and coming back. So we're feeling really good, but we're going to try to take it a little bit easy. So this isn't a very easy project. I'm going to finish with the framing on here, get it nailed in how it's actually supposed to be nailed in, put in the little edging. Everybody needs a rooster on their build site. Go ahead and put this around to make the actual stop for the door. And if we're lucky, get the door handle in. So come on, let's get started. Be a real build site here on Cause We Can Farms if we weren't on a low battery. So I think I'm going to nail this one in, and then I'm going to put that piece back in and then nail this piece. Water streaming from the upstairs through this OSB into, and there's a nice simple thing right there. Build in the winter time, she said. Drive any cars over here and get flat. Yeah, so this one is tilted for some reason. 2. Can't believe how sloped. It'll get the door closed. It's going to have its own personal stop. Seriously. Ah! You do a simple job. You don't feel well. Yeah. There's such a thing. Oh, really? I should just go home.
You are home.
Dang it. Make it where you can actually film without this being in the way.
I'm sure everybody appreciates that, so they can see.
Just saw that our spray foam has been sitting out here this whole time.
Oh no. So we all know what that means.
Pretty nice right there. This will drill a hole in there. It's pretty snug. Looks like it'll fit. I hate to say it, but I was starting from the other side. It's got a tighter hold on the other side, so let's start from the inside. Like really, really thin metal. So technically it's a metal door.
That is so weird.
Yay. Okay, let's there's one more little one that you put in here. Get that piece out. It's gross. Okay, I think I just have to throw that whole thing away. Is that how that works?
It's what you get when you have a secondhand door, right? You never know what it is.
Yeah, we're all like, oh, it's a metal door. I mean, I guess that's what metal doors are. They're a little bit of metal and then they're foam insulation on the inside. But it's an insulated door. So our $40 door is a metal insulated door. Okay. I don't know how I made this stick on there. Can't remember if I clamped it down or if it's just, oh, there's a screw right there. There we go. Okay, let's set us up. So I think that's a door handle.
Look at that. Good work.
So, thanks. So, oops. Now I just need to drill the little hole that goes into here. And then that should be able to put in a little hookup for that. When we learned our lesson, we will not use that one tool. Get the door handle in. Get the door handle in. So come on, let's get started. We're also going to try and finish the one upstairs before it gets started. It's a little bit late. Circular saw, Kara. It's really cold. But I found these. Oh, they're dirty. Just made that live there. Did. My hands are frozen. I have to go put them by the fire. Sorry. Can't touch all the frozen objects. Nice. Can you let me know if my understretchy pants are showing? Because I really don't want them to show. That's happening. Cool. Nobody needs to see my old lady leopard pants.